Hello, I am Jonathan Steven Marin Galvis. I am a student of psychology in University UNAT. I choose the section Where to Go. I choose this section because it allows me to talk more about the different places in the Prado neighborhood. Streets of Prado. If you stroll through Medellin's Prado neighborhood, don't miss the old houses with their beautiful architecture. You can visit cultural centers and museums that showcase the city's history. You might also find small cafes or local shops where you can take a break and soak up the atmosphere. Don't miss the opportunity to stroll through its quick streets as you'll find hidden gardens often overlooked by tourists. If you get tired, you can sit in a small park and enjoy the view. The Prado can offer a special experience if you dare to explore it. Defin- Definitely the best thing to do on this visit is to walk through the streets of Prado, see its houses, and imagine the history behind this architecture. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have a nice day.